Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the plaid pleated skirt in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get this skirt for free, you need to find the golden bubble, and I'm going to show you where you can find the bubble. So you need to go to the Anen Mountain right here. Okay, this is the exact location. And you will see the golden bubble right here guys. Oh, okay, and we're going to jump to pop the bubble. I hope that I can pop it. Okay, we can try it together. Okay, come on. Oh, okay, let's try it one more time. It's high enough so I cannot pop it from here. Okay, come on, I'm gonna try it one more time. Yay! I've just unlocked the plaid pleated skirt. Okay, and the plaid pleated skirt is for the simple school style guys. And for me, I have unlocked the skirt and also the academic suit and also the bag. For the shoes and the ribbon, I haven't unlocked them yet. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the plaid pleated skirt and Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.